Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain you how you can configure a full text using a query. So this is one of the method, but I am not going to use this method. So I am going to use a query method. uh, like I am going to cancel it. If we have already created a full text index on customer table or any table, we can drop it, and luckily I don't have an index right now. And if we want to check that if we have full text index properties configured, so we can run this query. One mean we have enabled it, we have a functionality available in a MySQL server. So this is a command, system command, where if we have already created any index, so we can see as well. And full, this is a store procedure. If we want to enable full text search, so we can enable it. And this is the main command. Here I can say that this is the main command. We are going to create a full text catalog. Catalog is a separate database. You can say it's not come under the tables. Actually, you can see here storage, and if I refresh it, you can see my full text catalog is created. So catalog is created. Catalog is actually managing the things. So once it's created, so now I'm going to have create a index, full text index search on customers. So in my customer table I have three columns where I want to use a full text search: name, email, and country. And you can see that in my customer table I have a primary key already defined, pk customer. So I am going to use key index and use the same name here. And on, I want to use catalog, my full text catalog. So this catalog is I just created in the above line. So let's run this command, execute it, and it will create our index. So index is created, but index is not populated. So alter full text index on, actually start update population is a command or keywords which are actually going to create or update my index. So index is ready. So now we can search our data. So let me first explore or browse what we have customer table inside the data. We have customer key, and we have a different columns like name, email, country with some data. Now let me search my name. Okay, any string with contains star mean any columns, and let's search by Raza. So you can see any columns which can contains key string Raza has now result. So before that we use, prior to that full text, we use like, but like with the any column, so like is slow. And let me give you another example. I want to search UAE, so it can comes UAE under the country column, so you can find this. So I hope you like this idea, and thank you very much for watching this video.